Today we're going to fix one of the most ridiculous problems on my Audi A3.
And you're probably wondering how we're going to do that.
By installing a cup holder that should have been there from factory.
And this install turned out to be a lot easier than I thought. Of course, if you're not already, don't forget to click subscribe and leave a comment down below if you guys have ever fitted a cup holder to your Audi A3.
The only cup holder that we get as Audi drivers is this, and currently it's full of nuts and bolts. So let's get the cup holder out and we'll show you what is involved in finally getting a cup holder in my car. So, all being well, the only tools that we should need for this is a Halford's Advanced multi-tool. But you know how these videos and modifications tend to go. Oh dear, there's a thing of oil back there. So we are going to be taking this bit out, and this is pretty pointless at the minute. There's a parking ticket, and I do not use this at all. It's got a tray in it which should have a light that lights up. I did actually try painting this bit, but it didn't go well a while back when I also painted this bit up here. So let's work on getting this out. It should be as simple as pulling that off. I'm also going to move that back and out of the way. And I believe that it's not a Phillips. T30. No, T20, guarantee it. This one. First try. There's one. Put them in there, out of the way. And here is two. Also, if you guys do want to pick yourselves up one of these, I will leave the link in the description. I think it was about £15 on eBay, and it's 3D printed. There was one with an Audi logo in there, but they wanted 30 quid for it, and I thought I could just put a sticker if I was that fussed. And now that should just slip out. There is a electrical connector there which we need to undo. There we go. And it should, he says, just pull out. Tell you what, take this off. Remember what I said to you about a car just comes off in pieces. Put that back on. And then so this is the really annoying part. To be honest, that's really dirty. That was the part that I tried painting, and I don't know what happened. No, it happened as soon as I did it. I think it just reacted bad with the plastic. I mean, it's probably got a lot of oil in there, etc. But out with the old. And then that, I believe, is literally just going to go in there, like so. But before we do that, I'm going to give that a bit of a clean because that is absolutely disgusting. So, got some APC from Infinity Wax, best stuff you can get. I'm going to spray it on, leave it for a second. I don't want to get it too wet, but this will break down all the dirt. There's me saying I don't want to get it too wet. I think it's absolutely soaking. It's also dripping down the side.
So I'm just going to give it a quick clean with some of this Infinity Wax APC and a microfiber cloth.
Okay, so it's not by any means the cleanest thing ever, but we're not going for perfection when cleaning that. Where do I put? Oh, it's there. So, I don't want to tighten this too much because, as you can see, it is only 3D printed. They are pretty strong, but that electrical connector can just sit down there. Put that in, and then we can put these back in.
And screwing this in was a lot easier than I thought.
And now, let's just put that one back on. We didn't even need to take that off. And then yeah, buddy. And now for our test subject. Now that is gangster. It does get a little bit in the way. What if it's... I mean, with a small can, it will be better, but that works a lot better than this ashtray, thank goodness.
So, cup holder is now all installed, as you can see, nice and neatly in there. Excuse the mess. We've got a lot of projects going on the car at the minute, but the cup holder has definitely put something into the car that should have been there from factory. Now, I don't know why Audi didn't put a cup holder. I mean, they put a cup holder, but it is there, right in the way of the handbrake, and also if you have a cup there, then it's going to get in the way when you're shifting, and you know us, we like to shift. So unfortunately, that does just about bring us to the end of this episode. And if you want to pick one of these cup holders up for yourself, there'll be a link in the description where you can get one for £15 to £30. Of course, if you haven't already, don't forget to click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss an upload like this again on the channel. And as you can see, we've got a lot of projects coming soon for the Audi A3, and a lot of videos for you guys to watch.